Assalamu alaikum and good evening everyone. Welcome to Real's English News Bulletin. I'm Mohammad Inayatur Rahman. Let's start with the day's headlines. Director General of Police Andhra Pradesh Mr. B. Prasad Rao on Wednesday made a tour of the Warangal district. The EAMCET exam for admissions into engineering, agriculture and medical courses to take place tomorrow on Wednesday 22nd May across the state. Mr. Shivdhar Reddy, a 1994 IPS officer, will be the new intelligence chief of the T state. The PolyCET exam for admissions into the polytechnic courses was successfully held for the last time in the United State of Andhra Pradesh on Wednesday. And an infant was kidnapped from a private hospital in Visakhapatnam. Now let's head for the news in detail. The Andhra Pradesh Director General of Police Mr. B. Prasad Rao on Wednesday toured the Warangal district. Mr. Prasad Rao, speaking to the media representatives, said that the police is all ready and equipped to fight with any Naxalite threat in both the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. He added that whether the Naxal activities increase or decrease, the police is always trying to prevent these activities. The EAMCET examination for admissions into engineering, agriculture, medicine and allied courses is to be conducted tomorrow, the 22nd of May, across the state of Andhra Pradesh. All arrangements have been completed for the EAMCET exam to be held on Wednesday, the 22nd of May. The engineering stream exam will be held between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., while the medical and agriculture stream exam will be held between 2:30 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. Strict measures are in place to curb malpractices at the exam centers. A total of 2,82,791 candidates will be taking part in the engineering stream, while 1,12,850 candidates will be appearing for the medicine and agriculture stream. For the first time, this test is being conducted on a Wednesday instead of a Sunday. The intelligence is also on alert on preventing the cases of malpractice. Mr. G. Shivdhar Reddy, a 1994 IPS officer, will be the new intelligence chief of the T state. Mr. Reddy hails from the RR district and his studies took place in the Hyderabad city. After joining the Indian Police Service, Mr. Reddy served as an ACP from the year 1996 to 97 in Inkapalli and between 97 and 98 at Narsipatnam, Chintapalli, and from 98 to 2000 at Ballampalli. He also served as the Director of Anti-Corruption Bureau for a few months. He was later deputed as the Commissioner of Police, Visakhapatnam. He has been deputed as the new Director General of Intelligence for the Telangana state, which is to be formed on the 2nd of June 2014. The last PolyCET entrance test in the United State of Andhra Pradesh for admissions into the polytechnic courses was successfully conducted on Wednesday. The test was conducted under tight security arrangements. The PolyCET entrance test saw participation of about 2,54,000 candidates. A total of 637 centers were set up for the conduct of this examination. 12 centers were set up in the state exclusively for women candidates included in the 637 centers. There were strict measures in place for checking and preventing malpractice at the exam centers. The results of the exam is expected to be released in the month of June. A newborn baby was kidnapped from a hospital in Visakhapatnam. According to details, the incident took place at KGH Hospital situated in Visakhapatnam district. Some unknown persons took away the newborn baby while the mother of the baby was asleep. After waking up from sleep, the mother was shocked to see the baby missing and immediately informed her relatives. The relatives searched the entire hospital for hours together but couldn't find the baby. The angry relatives blamed the hospital staff for this negligence and held them responsible for the theft of the baby. The relatives also lodged a complaint with the police, and the police have registered a case and are investigating. Narendra Modi has resigned as the MLA of the Gujarat Assembly as also the Chief Minister of the Gujarat state. Mr. Modi tendered his resignation to the Assembly Speaker Vajwala in the evening. Early in the day, Mr. Modi had attended a farewell function in the Assembly complex. Mr. Modi's tenure lasted a total of 4906 days. Mr. Modi had also resigned as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He had tendered his resignation as a CM to the Governor Kamla Beniwal in the afternoon.
माननीय अध्यक्ष श्री હું સૌ પ્રથમ આપનો અને વિપક્ષના નેતાશ્રીનો સવિશેષ આભાર માનું છું. કારણ કે આજનો આ અવસર એ આપના થકી છે અને દેશ અને દુનિયામાં લોકો પૂછે છે કે આ ગુજરાત મોડેલ છે શું? આ ઘટના એ ગુજરાત મોડેલ, આ ઘટના પોતે જ ગુજરાત મોડેલ છે કે જ્યાં સૌ સાથે મળીને સારું કરવા માટેનું મંથન કરતા હોય છે, મનોમંથન કરતા હોય છે. આજે અહીંયા ગુજરાતના શ્રેષ્ઠીજનો પણ પ્રેક્ષક દીર્ઘામાં પધાર્યા છે.
Now let's see how the stock markets performed today. The Sensex closed at 24298 points, while the Nifty closed at 7252 points. Now let's have a look at the gold rates in the city of Hyderabad. 22 carat 10 gram gold would cost 27,270 rupees, while 24 carat 10 gram gold would cost 28,840 rupees. Now let's have a look at the weather conditions in the districts of Telangana. Hyderabad would be at a minimum of 28 degrees centigrade and at a maximum of 41 degrees centigrade. Khammam would be at a minimum of 31 degrees centigrade and at a maximum of 45 degrees centigrade. While Medak will be at a minimum of 28 degrees centigrade and at a maximum of 41 degrees centigrade. Warangal would be at a low of 28 degrees centigrade and at a max of 42 degrees centigrade. While Karimnagar would be at a minimum of 28 degrees centigrade and at a max of 39 degrees centigrade. Let's have a look at the headlines again before we wrap up the day's edition. Director General of Police, Andhra Pradesh, Mr. B. Prasad Rao on Wednesday made a tour of the Warangal district. The MCET exam for admissions into engineering, agriculture and medical courses to take place tomorrow on Wednesday, 22nd May across the state. Mr. Shivdar Reddy, a 1994 IPS officer, will be the new intelligence chief of the T state. The Polycet exam for admissions into the polytechnic courses was successfully held for the last time in the United State of Andhra Pradesh on Wednesday. And an infant was kidnapped from a private hospital in Visakhapatnam. This wraps up the day's edition. From me and the whole team here, thanks for watching.